In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert rows Google Sheets. By the end, you'll be able to place new rows exactly where you want them without disrupting your data. First, open your browser and go to Google. In the top right corner of the Google homepage, look for the small grid icon. This is the Google Apps Launcher. Click it to reveal a panel of Google services. From that panel, click Sheets to open Google Sheets. If you're asked to sign in, go ahead and sign into the account where your spreadsheet lives so you can access your files. Once Sheets is open, find and open the spreadsheet you want to edit. You can pick it from your recent files or search for it by name. When the document loads, take a moment to identify the row where you want to add space. Rows run horizontally and are labeled by numbers along the left edge of the sheet. Clicking a row number selects the entire row, which is the best way to tell Sheets exactly where you want the new row to go. Now, with that row selected, open the context menu. On most mice, that's a right click. On a trackpad, use a two-finger click. If you're on a device without a right click, you can hold the modifier key your system uses to open the context menu, such as Control-click. This brings up a list of row actions. From this menu, choose either Insert one row above or Insert one row below. Pick above if you want the new row to appear directly on top of the selected row. Choose below if you want it to appear immediately under it. As soon as you choose, Sheets will create the new row and shift existing data down or up as needed. Any formulas that reference cells below will automatically adjust to their new positions. And formatting, like background colors or borders, often carries over based on the neighboring rows. A few quick tips while you're here. If you need multiple rows, select the same number of existing rows first by dragging over the row numbers. Then right-click and choose the Insert option. Sheets will add that many new rows in one go. If you make a mistake, press Undo to instantly revert the change. And don't worry about saving. Google Sheets saves automatically. That's all there is to it. You've opened Google Sheets, selected the exact spot, right-clicked, and inserted a row above or below with confidence. Thanks for watching, and enjoy keeping your spreadsheets clean, organized, and ready for analysis.